Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 9 NCERT, Chapter 4 Linear Equation in Two Variables. Graph of linear equation. Previous lecture I have told you exercise 4.2 in the solutions of the linear equation. So, because the linear equation in two variable always have infinitely many solutions, so you will get if you plot these points in a graph paper, you will get a straight line. Suppose there is a given x plus y is equal to 5. One equation is given x plus y is equal to 5. Plot the graph of it. So for the graph you find the solutions according to this. I have told you in the previous lecture. How will you find the solutions? At least two solutions are very important. At least two solutions you will get. Solution means value of x and y which satisfy the equation. At least two solutions you will get. So x you choose by your willings, but you try to choose the value which will not give you the decimal form. Try to get a whole number or integers. Let x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 plus y is equal to 5. Y will be 5. One solution. X is equal to 2. 1, 2, minus 2, any value you are free to choose. 2 plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 2 will be 3. X is equal to 5. Then what will you get? 5 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 5. Then 5 minus 5, what will you get? 0. So all the three values you are getting 0. It is a solution. One solution x 0, then y is equal to 5 means 0 comma 5. 1 point you are getting. Second point, third point. You plot this in the graph paper. In the graph paper you draw a two line whose one axis x and x dash, y and y dash in the graph paper. Put the 1 centimeter, that is graph paper, it is given. In the graph paper that you know how you are getting. Graph papers, copies, if there is a graph paper, then easily you can get. In the graph paper, you plot it. Plot 1 centimeter. At 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, number line minus 3 and minus 4. Here minus 5 also you can write. It depends on what is given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 is the maximum value, so I have taken minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 or minus 5. So it is y, y dash, x, x dash. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First point is 0, 5. So from the 0 you will go till here and put a mark here. It is a 0 comma 5. First point you are getting. Second point is 2 comma 3. X is 2. On the 2 you will go till the 3. So you are getting a point here which is a 2 comma 3. It is your second point. Third point is 5 comma 0. Where is the 5? It is the 5 and you will get it is the 5 comma 0. So 3 points you are plotting on the graph paper, and then by the scale you join these 3 points, you will get a straight line. You are getting a straight line which is representing a straight line by plotting this. X plus y is equal to, you can write any place, x plus y is equal to 5. Any line you can plot like this. It is the plotting of a line. So, a standard equation you can write if the solution is given. Clear? How will you plot the graph? How will you plot the graph? It is very important. Like this, the one more graph you will see. Plot the graph for any question. What is given? Some example. X plus y is equal to 5. I have drawn in the book. It is given x plus. You can increase this line. Suppose you are seeing that it is very small. You can increase this line. It is y. Here is the 6. Here is 7. Here is 8. You can write y, y dash. Dash will be indicating you minus. dash indicating here minus sign. X is this side, x dash, y dash. When you don't write this, you will get 0 marks. It is very important point that how will you solve it. Plotting the graph. Another question. Plot the graph minus plus anything is given. You try to find out the values according to this. The force statement questions are given here. Statement questions will be there. One example is given here in the book. You can see. Example number 5. What is the example number 5 given? First you see. Example number 5. Example number 5 of the book is given to find the, if the point, given a point 1, a point is given. Example number 5. A point is given whose 1, 2. You want to find the equation of the line which it lies. Point means it lies in the line. How will you find out the point and how many such equations are there? Standard form ax plus by, x is 1, y is 2. So you can get x plus y is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. One equation you can get. It is one equation you are getting. You are forming by this point. Point means what is the meaning of this point? X equal to 1, y equal to 2. On the basis of this, on the basis of 1 and 2 you form it. What will you get? X minus y. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Minus 2 means minus 1. You are getting the value on the basis. Your result must be this. When you get LHS equal to RHS. This you can write as a x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This you can write x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a standard form. Like this, when you write x, y is twice of x. 2x is equal to y. According to this, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. X is 1, 2 1 is 2. Y is 2, 2 equal to 2. So this you can write 2x plus y minus 0 is equal to 0. Standard equation form. So it is a very important point. How will you write the... So how many equations you can write? By this one point. You can write infinite equations. How many equations? Infinite equation you can write by a single point given. Because from a single point there is an infinite number of line passing. So that's why you can write infinite equations. So very easy, it is given. Next question is given, example number 6. Example number 6 of the book is given. Plot the graph. Plot the graph of this. Draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. X plus y is equal to 7. For this, for plotting the graph, what is required? Points are required. And these points you will get due to this. You want the points. Points are required for drawing. First thing you try to get 0. When you 0, then what will be the y? 7. Oral you can do it. Orally you can do y equal to 7. Then you write the 5. Any other value. Any other value which give you not a fraction. So 5 plus y is equal to 7. Then what is y? 7 minus 5 it will be 2. And if it will be exactly 0 you want. If y is 0 then x will be 7. If it is 7 then 7 minus 7. 7 plus y is equal to 7 gives y equal to 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Plot this. Positive quadrant you draw more than the negative quadrant. It depends on the question. You want positive more, negative less. X dash x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Same thing here, minus 1, minus 2, no need to write more. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But here you write y dash, here you write y. Y dash, x dash. Then in this you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what you want. But till 7 is required. Maximum in y 7 and here this. So we will see that first point is 0, 7. 0, 7 is this. Second point you can write 0, 7 here. 5, 2. 5 is here. 5x, then 2. You will go here and this line you will get in the graph paper. Graph paper, all the lines are drawn. Already dark line I have written 1, 2, 3 and the light color. And then 7, 0, 7, 0, it is a 5, 2, it is 7, 0. And then join all the points with a scale, you will get here a straight line. Because I am drawing by the hand, not by scale, so sometimes it is curved. So what are you getting? Both the side you put the head. It is your x plus y is equal to 7. Required line. Any linear equation is given, then you get a straight line. Like this you have finished the 2 examples. Rest examples and other things I will discuss in the next lecture. Thanks for today.